gentlemen out there. I'm Reverend Dr. Peter Mohindo from Uganda. I am a physician by profession, and I'm talking about stem cell. Stem cell, we all know that all living cells originate from a parent cell, and this parent cell is able to produce all sorts of cells in our bodies. And every day the body replenishes itself by production of various types of cells. The cells that are destroyed are replaced, and the origin of the replacement is the stem cell. And for years, actually millions of years, there has not been a solution for body cells that get depleted or that are destroyed, or they are deficient in their functioning, except for blood cells, where we replace with blood or other iron supplements. So we have a breakthrough, scientific breakthrough, that we have now plant stem cell. And of course, many of our people who fall sick and go to the outside world, there has been stem cell therapy, which is many years ago. And of course, not everyone manages this type of stem cell from humans. We have embryonic stem cell, we have adult stem cell, and this can be obtained from a human being of the same blood group with a person who is sick, or from animals that have similar cellular structures as human beings, such as polybear, the rabbit, and rats, and other animals, the mammalian animals. However, now in the new event of scientific advancement, we have the stem cell from plants, especially the apple, strawberry, and tomato. They have been discovered to have similar cellular structures as human beings. And therefore, where there is cellular dysfunction, or the alteration from the normal functioning of cells that causes disease in a number of human beings, this product has been proved to be of value, significant value, of medical importance, because it can cure diseases such as cancer, diseases like thyroid disorders, and other infertility disorders. Wherever there is cell dysfunction, this product has been able to correct the disorder, the anomaly. Even women with infertility that have been not able to have children because of poor physiological functioning of their bodies, this product has been proved to be of value. Cancer, like prostate cancer, has been treated with stem cell, plant stem cell, and many other diseases. So we are lucky now in the 21st century to have this innovation. And therefore, I want to appeal to everyone. Health is never bought, but it can be maintained. It can be kept. It can be treasured. It's nice to have yourself interested in phytoscience, the company that produces stem cell. A lot of products are on the market, but phytoscience, the company that originates from Malaysia, has the best option for your choice to cure your conditions. As a medical doctor, I have proved and treated conditions like stroke and hypertension, diabetes, and prostate cancer and other types of cancers, and the results have been so wonderful. Even aging now is not a problem, because even if one is aging, is not supposed to suffer from conditions like bone deficiency related conditions, dementia, that is forgetfulness, and neurological other disorders. And therefore I call upon everyone that is listening to this speech to really take on stem cell. We were also advising that whoever is using stem cell must check their nutritional standards. And when we talk of nutrition, we mean taking a balanced diet. Some diseases come as a result of lack of properly balanced diet, because a diet comprises of so many groups of foods. We have starch, we have proteins, we have vitamins and minerals. These are key dietary components. But as you use stem cell, someone who has a better nutritional status responds very well, extremely well. The performance of stem cell becomes so high in people who are well nourished. And when we talk of this, of nutritional balance, we also mean that also water should come along, because water forms 70% of the total body volume. The total body weight, 70% is water. Why? Water is a catalyst for many biochemical processes in the body. By biochemical processes, I mean the mechanical, physiological, and other biological performances of so many systems will depend on how much water is in the body. And as well, you know that cells will, like we want to bathe our bodies, the cells also at one point will require to enlist or release whatever chemicals and other components that have been performed during the various biochemical processes into the water that is circulating around them, so that they go back healthy, able to perform their function. So that's why the scientists who discovered stem cell thought it is imperative to take water to help it perform its work very well, to help it to be absorbed properly into the bloodstream, but also to make sure healthy and perfect body cells are generated. Stem cell has the ability to repair cells that have been weakened, to regenerate cells that have been depleted, and also manufacture other cells through the process of duplicating itself. It can change into any cell in the body. It can form a nervous cell, it can form a squamous cell, the cells that form the epithelium of the eye, the nose, the mouth, the tongue, the lungs, the heart, the kidney, and any other cell in the body. And that is how powerful stem cell is in an individual. Therefore, with these few words, I call upon you, brothers and sisters that are listening to this, to take this with keen interest. It is rather better to have to take stem cell than having to wait for problems to arise and then you start attending to them. It becomes more costly on your side, and of course you can't predict how long it is going to take before you can access stem cell, before also you can get complications of any condition. I have seen, I have testimonies of people with issues with eyes. I got a patient recently who used the herbal medicine on her eyes, and the eyes were like mashed potatoes, and they were so red, so painful, tearing a lot, showering a lot of tears. In 10 days, the patient was in normal stature. The pain had subsided, tearing had stopped, and the eye was beginning to form. I have another patient who, during operation, the anesthetic agents caused her loss of consciousness due to brain hypoxia, and she never managed to recover from anesthesia. and was taken to a regional referral hospital and stayed there for 2 months, but never recovered at all, and was sent home to die because the hospital thought it is a condition that will not recover. However, the relatives took this patient to a nearby hospital just to keep her there so that she can die in that hospital eventually. I have given stem cell now for 1 month, and the patient, as I speak right now, is able to sit in a wheelchair, can respond to pain, can respond to someone calling her, and has started eating. So this is a significant and tremendous move that has happened in the life of this patient, and many more other testimonies are around. So it is imperative for someone to use stem cell. Thank you very much.
Oh.
I'm Reverend Dr. Peter Mohindo from Uganda. I'm a general physician. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you so much for the informative information.
Yes.
I'm sure if people hear about this from a doctor who has a PhD in medicine, they will take heed and follow.
Thank
To those that want to join us or partner with us, be our business partners, please come on board. The person that is speaking is Princess Enicia Sigauke from Zimbabwe. My number is +263 774 891 552. We are actually going to invite Dr. Peter from Uganda to come and join us in Zimbabwe very soon. We will notify you about the dates, and I'm sure each and everyone who has got a doctor that they know, I would advise you invite them to join us on the platform, and even on those days of our workshop and our presentations, so that they know more and they will go deeper. Thank you so much, doctor. We would rather use the natural products than the medicines that already give us effects or side effects as well.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time.
And of course, as we complete this session, it is important to note that this phytoscience stem cell is completely a natural product. It doesn't have preservatives or any other interruptions that are added to it, and so it becomes completely safe for human consumption and use. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.